How to speed up your slow PC. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to see how you can easily speed up if your PC is getting slow or laggy. Let's just get started. You can start off by restarting or rebooting your PC. This alone can fix a lot of problems. So for that, all you have to do here is click on the start menu, click on this power option here, and then all you have to do is just go ahead and click on restart. Once you have restarted your PC, the next step is to check for startup apps. You can do that by right-clicking on Taskbar and go to Task Manager. And from here, on the left-hand side of your screen, you can easily find your option for Performance, App History, and then Startup Apps. Tap on it, and you can find all of these startup apps over here. Let's say if something is enabled, for example, Discord, I don't want this to come up every time I turn on my PC. So what you're going to have to do is right click on it and then click on disable. Once that is done, you should be good to go. Once you have completed this, close it out and you're going to have to open up your settings. Once you open up settings, all you have to do is go to system. From system, you can go over to storage. And from storage, you can find your temporary files over here. Click on it, and it's going to select all the unnecessary files. And as you can see, all these are temporary files that you can delete, which is taking up almost 1.5 GB of space. Click on remove files, tap on continue, and you should be good to go. So after doing this, there are a few steps you need to take. You can go ahead and search for system properties and then open it up. Once you open system properties, make sure you are on the advanced tab and go to the performance settings. From here, you can adjust for best performance or best appearance. You can also do a custom and change all of these animations and stuff. Once you've done that, click on apply and then click on OK. And finally, you can restart your PC one more time to speed it up, and you should be good to go. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.